Hey guys, it's Lucas. In this video, I'm going to review this Sun Joe wood chipper unit with you. I bought this a couple years ago to do some yard cleanup work, and I wanted to share with you some pros and cons about this unit. You know, it's good for light work, yard cleanup, but you know, if you got a lot of wood and you're looking to create like a large amount of wood chips, then you might want to get something a little more heavy duty. It says this can handle sticks 1 3/4 inches thick, and it can, but it doesn't really chip and shred them. It kind of chunks them. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, show you what this can handle. Let's check it out. Definitely should wear some safety glasses when you're doing wood chipping, because the sticks sort of move around a lot and can poke you in the face. You don't want to get poked in the eye or anything. I don't wear ear protection for this unit because it's sort of like running your shop vac. All right, here we go. So when it got a big knot like this, then it's more likely it's going to jam it up. As you can see, the unit's been struggling with some bigger stuff like this, but it chips up the smaller stuff, no problem. Let me show you guys what the chips look like. All right, so that chip in right there. I mean, these chips look pretty good because I used some pretty dried out wood, so it's easier for this unit to break it up. If it was fresher wood, you'd see a lot more chunks like this. You know, there's going to be a lot of sticks and twigs in this, and look, it's good for cleanup. But if you're someone like me who likes to have a lot of wood chips on hand for, you know, gardening and growing mushrooms, then you know, you might want to invest in a bigger unit, something that can handle like a 3-inch diameter stick. Yeah, right here is where I'm sticking everything in, and it can handle some stuff, but it's hard when you're taking a lot of brush. You sort of have to you have to guide it through this thing a lot more than I wish you did. I wish it had a bigger chute where I can just dump stuff in. It has a reverse feature. If something gets stuck, you can click this and put it in reverse. And it runs on electric. So right before I purchased this unit, I purchased a gas-powered unit from Amazon that could handle the 3-inch diameter sticks. But I got really upset when the UPS guys were delivering that unit to me. I'm sitting in my office doing some work, and I watched one guy take this big box off the truck and try to carry it by himself, and he drops it, like right in my yard, bam, drops it. And then he pulls away, and there was another guy in the truck that could have helped him too. So I ended up having to return that unit because when I opened it, part of the engine was smashed, and it just really pissed me off. So I decided not to buy that unit again, even though it was a really nice unit. It was like $500, and I could have made myself a lot more wood chips with that unit. So after I returned that, I did some more research, and I decided to just buy this cheaper unit off Amazon. This one was about $150 at the time. I only have like 1/3 of an acre here, and I really just needed it to clean up some of the dead debris that was left on my property when I bought this house. If I had a lot of acres and more trees to take down and more cleanup to do, it would make sense for me to have that larger unit. But on this size property, this is good just for some yard cleanup, some tree pruning. I have an apple tree I prune sometimes. I'm always pruning my trees and always cleaning up the sticks that fall. So, you know, I give this unit a thumbs up for basic yard cleanup. If you're looking to get a lot of wood chips and, you know, cut down some trees and take down some big limbs, you're gonna need a bigger unit, gas powered, something that's gonna handle at least 3 inches diameter, because this guy is only gonna handle 1 3/4 inches, and even that 1 3/4 inches, it's gonna be like a chunk, wood chunks. If I live more rural and I have more property, I would probably just burn all this stuff, but because where I live right now, it's easy for me to do the cleanup with this, get a little bit of wood chips out of it. I have used the wood chips for growing some mushrooms in the past, but like I said, they're a little chunky, so I might mix some straw with the wood chips when I'm doing it. I might do that with this batch of chips that I have. I mean, the wood that I chipped up was pretty old and dead, but mix it with a little straw, throw some spawn in there, especially like wine cap stropharia, and I should be able to grow mushrooms on that, no problem. I hope you guys liked that video and that review of the Sun Joewood wood chipper. I'd call it more of a wood chunker, but if you're looking for something a little more heavy duty, definitely look for a wood chipper shredder that can handle like at least 3 inch diameter. Have a great day, guys. Stay healthy.